a giant leap to begin a different story. Sometimes all it really takes is one small shift toward what you're wanting. A little change in how you move, a little change in how